Imagine transforming your body with one single exercise. What if I told you that doing just one movement, the deadlift, can help you burn fat, build muscle, improve posture, and make you stronger than ever? Keep watching to learn how deadlifts will change your body forever. Welcome back to the channel, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse exercise that can completely reshape your physique: deadlifts. This exercise is often misunderstood and underappreciated, but it's time to uncover its massive benefits. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been training for a while, deadlifts have the power to change your body in ways you've never imagined. Before we jump into the science and benefits, let's first take a step back. Deadlifts are the king of all compound movements. They target multiple muscle groups at once, increase your strength, and help you achieve a leaner, more sculpted physique. But how exactly do deadlifts transform your body? Well, stick with me and we'll break down exactly why you should be adding deadlifts to your workout routine. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start pulling some serious weight. Here's the kicker: deadlifts don't just work your lower body. They activate your core, back, arms, and even help improve your mental resilience. Are you ready for a full body transformation? Let's get into it. 1. Building explosive strength. Let's start with the most obvious benefit: strength. When you perform a deadlift, your entire body is working together. This is not just an exercise for your legs or your back. It's a full body movement that engages your core, glutes, hamstrings, quads, lower back, and even your forearms. Unlike isolation exercises, which focus on one muscle group, deadlifts engage multiple muscles simultaneously, leading to a significant increase in overall strength. But here's where the magic happens. As you consistently train with deadlifts, you'll notice a massive improvement in your functional strength. This means you'll not only be able to lift more weight in the gym, but also handle everyday tasks with more ease. Things like picking up heavy objects, carrying groceries, or even sitting and standing at your desk will feel effortless. You'll be stronger in every aspect of your life. 2. Developing a stronger core. Now, let's talk about one of the lesser-known benefits of deadlifts: core strength. You may think that deadlifts are only about your legs and back, but your core is actually under constant tension throughout the entire movement. The core muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles, work overtime to stabilize your body and maintain proper posture as you lift heavy weights. When done correctly, deadlifts can significantly improve your core stability. This is especially important for athletes and those who perform other high-intensity exercises. A stronger core also helps prevent injuries and supports better posture, making you look taller and more confident. Plus, a strong core is essential for all other lifts, making deadlifts a cornerstone exercise in any strength training routine. If you're serious about burning fat, building lean muscle, and looking more toned, then deadlifts are your secret weapon. Let's talk about how deadlifts help you melt fat and sculpt a leaner physique. 3. Burning fat and boosting metabolism. Want to torch fat? Deadlifts are here to help. Because deadlifts are such a demanding exercise, they engage multiple large muscle groups at once, which requires a lot of energy. The result? An afterburn effect that can last for hours after your workout is over. This means that you'll continue to burn calories long after you've left the gym, which is a fantastic way to shed stubborn fat. In addition to the post-workout calorie burn, deadlifts can also help speed up your metabolism. When you increase muscle mass through compound lifts like deadlifts, your body's metabolic rate increases, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're at rest. So, not only will you build muscle, but you'll also be burning fat faster, leading to a more sculpted, leaner physique. 4. Improving posture and preventing injury. Let's talk about posture, something that's often overlooked in the gym. One of the most impressive benefits of deadlifts is how they improve your posture. This exercise forces you to engage your back muscles, particularly your lower back, throughout the entire movement. Over time, this strengthens the muscles that support your spine, leading to improved posture both in and out of the gym. As your back and core become stronger, you'll notice that you stand taller, with more confidence and alignment. This is especially important for those who spend long hours sitting at a desk or working in front of a computer. Deadlifts can counteract the negative effects of poor posture, helping prevent back pain and reducing your risk of injury in other areas of your life. 5. Enhancing athletic performance. Deadlifts are a game changer for athletes. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or a team sport player, deadlifts can improve your performance by strengthening key muscle groups. Since deadlifts work your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back, they help you generate more explosive power in your legs. This increased power translates into faster sprints, better jumps, and more strength during other athletic movements. Furthermore, deadlifts can increase your grip strength, which is crucial for athletes in sports like rock climbing, tennis, and even football. By improving your overall strength and power output, deadlifts give you an edge in virtually every sport. 6. Building muscle mass. If you're aiming for muscle growth, deadlifts should be a staple in your workout routine. Deadlifts stimulate the largest muscles in your body, the glutes, hamstrings, quads, and lower back. As these muscles grow, they help you pack on mass throughout your entire body. Deadlifts create a massive anabolic environment, meaning they trigger the release of growth hormones, leading to muscle gain. Plus, deadlifts promote the release of testosterone, which is key for muscle building and fat loss, especially in men. If your goal is to build a strong, muscular physique, deadlifts are essential for maximizing muscle growth. Want to increase your deadlift numbers and unlock even more muscle-building benefits? Stick around because I'm going to share some tips on how to deadlift safely and effectively for maximum gains. 7. Increased hormone production. As we've touched on briefly, deadlifts have an incredible effect on hormone production. When you engage in compound lifts like deadlifts, your body releases growth hormone and testosterone, two of the most important hormones for building muscle and burning fat. The larger the muscle groups you target, the greater the release of these hormones. This is one of the reasons why deadlifts are so effective for those looking to gain muscle mass. The more weight you lift, the more hormones your body produces, and the faster you'll see results. Whether you're male or female, deadlifts will help you get the most out of your workouts by boosting your body's natural hormone production. 8. Mental toughness and confidence. Deadlifts are not just about physical strength, they're also about building mental toughness. Lifting heavy weights requires focus, discipline, and perseverance. When you pull a heavy deadlift, you're not only challenging your body, but also your mind. It forces you to push past mental barriers, helping you develop a strong mindset that can translate into other areas of your life. The sense of accomplishment that comes from hitting new personal records can be incredibly empowering. You'll feel more confident not only in your body, but in your ability to tackle challenges both in and out of the gym. Deadlifts don't just change your body, they change your mindset. So, there you have it. Deadlifts are one of the most powerful and effective exercises you can do for your body. They help you build strength, burn fat, improve your posture, increase muscle mass, and develop a resilient mindset. No other movement can provide the same full body benefits as deadlifts. If you haven't yet added deadlifts to your workout routine, now is the perfect time to start. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more fitness tips, workout routines, and health advice. I'll see you in the next video.